So in this particular tutorial, I'm gonna guide you how we can draw a control diagram for direct or line motor control. Here and draw on the wire. So click wire here. So let us draw. This is our wire. So in this wire, the first thing what we have to do is we have to bring thermal overload relay. So come here and just under schematic we have to click an icon menu. So call it thermal. So go to motor control. So under motor control we have normally closed thermal overload. So come here and it's normally closed. So click in here. So this is a normally closed thermal overload NC. Alright, so then okay. So look at this is NC and we have to copy this. Come here and select the attribute, then come here and again enter. And what we have to do is just move from this to here. This is normally closed. So the next thing what we have to do is just directly bring the push button. Push button is normally closed again. Come to the icon menu. So on the icon menu we have a push button and directly click on normally closed push button. So we have to bring it here. So this is our normally closed push button. Make us normally close. Then okay. I've done it. Then update. Then again we have to move this NC to one direction. Come to show attribute and then click on that and then enter, then move to this direction. Okay, again move and just we have to align in some location. So this is normally closed push button, and the next step is we have to bring normally open push button again. So click in icon menu, push button, click in push button, and then we have to bring normally open push button here and we have to connect at this point. Look at this is normally open push button and O, then OK, then yes update. So again we can attribute, we can move the attributes, so attribute and then this. Click in here. Sorry. Click, then enter, and again we have to move at this point. Again enter at this point. It's normally open. Now the next step is just we have to bring the contactor coil. We have to bring the contactor coil first of all here. So go to icon menu. So in icon menu we have a motor. Come here, motor, or just relay. Go to relay. So under relay we have a normally standard coil pin. Click on that and we have to bring at this point, and then this is, so call it KM, just KM1, and which is again just so call it main contactor. Then again come here, pin A1, coil A1 and coil A2, then OK. Look at yes update. So this is the main contactor. So again come to show attribute and then click in that and now enter and then move to this direction. Look at, we have A1 coil and we have A2 coil. Alright, so the next thing what you have to do is the latching circuit. To do that we have to go to wire, then click in wire and then directly click here, move to this way, then down again and then move to this direction. So this is the wire. Then finally we have to bring the normally open contactor coil. So we have to bring normally open contactor coil. Go to icon menu, click in icon menu, then select the contactor coil or motor coil. So under motor control we have normally open contact, then bring to here. Alright, so we have M1 normally open. Yes, then okay, look at. So what we have to do is we have to redirect some attributes and then go to change attribute, then click in here, change attribute, show attribute, click in main, M1, then enter and move to this direction. Look at, so this is M1. We have again normally M1 normally open. Alright, so we have done, and finally what's left is we have to bring the neutral wire here. So connect from this to this and then enter. Then this is the neutral wire. Okay, so go to wire number, so sequential, then we have neutral, then pick the wire, then select this, then enter. So what if that, go to wire number, sequential, then we have here neutral, then pick wire number, then enter. Okay, so this is how we can control our direct online motor. So let me elaborate a little bit. So the first thing is, this is from the phase, which is 220 volt. So directly come here, we have thermal overload, normally close contact. Then we have push button, normally this push button is normally closed, sorry, this is normally closed. Okay, so directly go to normally closed push button, and here we have normally open push button, and this is for holding circuit purpose. Just this circuit is just in order to hold the coil, this coil. Okay, so this is so-called latching circuit or holding circuit, and here we have main contactor KM1. The coil is A1 and A2. This main contactor, here we have a neutral. So by this circuit we can control direct online motors. Okay, so this is the way how we can sketch the control circuit for direct online motor. If you have any question regarding with this tutorial, God bless you. If you are interested with such kind of tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and be a family.